How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to go over the two trades I took on NQ. I took two shorts. My first one was stopped out. My second one I entered near the stop of my first trade, and that one worked out. Very small win on the day, so we're up I think like $40. So nothing crazy, but let's take a look at what we did. So started the day, quick drop off the open. We are below the previous day's low. We broke below pre-market low. At this point, I was waiting for some sort of like consolidation or maybe retest the EMA, the 13 EMA for a downside move. We didn't get it. We dropped pretty immediately. Came down and hit this liquidity down here, and then we started to move up. And we looked weak around this 13 EMA, so I took a short. My stop loss was above this candle high, and my take profit was at 670. We just barely missed it somehow. Like if you look on, there's 670, and somehow that wick did not fill me. Then it reversed all the way up and stopped me out. At that point, we came up and we tested the 48 EMA and then looked weak on that, and I entered short. I doubled down on my position because I thought that it would be risking like above pre-market high. Pretty low risk, high reward if I just took a quick scalp. My first trim was like 10 points, nothing crazy. And that was just to deleverage, but it was also just to help me get some of that loss back quickly. So then I held the others. I just put like a take profit down in here, just for like a little bit more of a move down into this consolidation that we had. We got that move down, stopped out the majority of my position, or took profit on the majority of my position. And then I had a runner that I was trying to leave for either low a day or kind of somewhere in this zone, and brought my stop loss for my runner to a break above the 13 EMA, which we got right here, and that's where it stopped me out on my final contract. So it's a little choppy right now. We got a really nice move down, and now we're kind of chopping around. Not really making higher highs or higher lows, some consolidation. I would expect a move to come out of this. So, whichever way we break to the upside or downside, there could be a potential move to capture there, but I'm done on the day. Two trades, just a little above break even, but it's better than a loss. So, yeah, it was a little unfortunate. Like I said, got stopped out or missed my take profit by like less than a point, and then got stopped out for a loss. So we're doing well. We're still looking solid. Accounts up, like I said, $40, pretty small amount, but nonetheless they're growing. And slow money is better than no money. So, yeah, just like the conviction. Didn't get quite the rejection off this EMA. We did get a nice move, but like I said, just barely missed it. Then we came up and got the rejection off here. Price action was just looking weak. We had weak volume. We had the point of control shifting higher and higher in these candles. Wicks on the upper ends of these candles, just not really looking very strong on this move up. Oop, I need to throw volume on here. So if I can kind of explain, you see the volume dropping off and looking pretty weak on this move up. So I didn't think that it was going to be a sustained bounce, which is why I was willing to take that short. Again after being stopped out. That's it. Just kind of the same idea twice in a row. Just looking for some sort of continuation after that weakness off the morning and being below both yesterday's range and pre-market range. So, yeah, maybe the short on the break and retest of the pre-market low would have been nice. Obviously, but hindsight 2020, I didn't like it in the moment. That's all. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully finish out the week strong. If we could get a decent win, then we'll be real close to being able to maybe pass these next week. So that's where we're at. That's what we're looking at, and yeah, feeling pretty solid. I think we'll call it there and move on. Hope you have a great day. Peace.